I see the skyline with a neon glow. Dreams on the rise where the rivers flow. Chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way, breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene, living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way. Breaking through.
Hey, everybody. Good evening. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to the MyFundedFutures Asia session here. All right. What a rally. What a day, right? Unbelievable. Look at these moves here. You go from 29,840 down to 29,273 and then run 800 points. You drop here 570 and run 800. Unbelievable. Hey, Brinks, how are you? What's up, everybody? David, how are you? Albano, how are you? Bodine, Simple Trade, Koa, D Hall, Adam, NQ Futures, Lead Show, Miss K is in the house. Rick Francis, G Peralta, 420, NQ Futures. All right, let's do it here. All right. We had at the end of the day, it was pretty wild. We had about 5 billion for sale on the close, and then it turned to 6 billion to buy. And look at them, boom, up 190 points in literally about 4 minutes. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. All right. So what are we looking at here? We got the 15s, the 30s. Market's going higher. You're gonna need to get the big buy program, the big pullbacks tomorrow on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. So we're going to wait for that. Today, the big buy reversals on the 30 and 60-minute time frames really propelled the market here. So I guess gold, absolutely kaboosh. Gold's doing everything it can to hold above the 4,000 level here. Okay, gold is doing everything here to hold above the 4,000. Yes. All right. Let's do it here. Very quiet. How is everybody tonight? B-Tree. Here's a new person here. Caesar, how are you? Palm tree trader. Okay. Albano. What's going on, Albano? Noah lives cops. Noah, is that Noah live cops? We got Josiah Brazil won today. Hey, Vanessa. Germany, I think, is playing right now. I think Germany's playing now. If the NASDAQ gets up to the 30,080 to 31,020, I would take the short if it gets up there, but it just got kabooshed. All right. Hey, Tina, pull over. Okay. All right. Good. Hey, Jeff, what's going on? All right. So many nice people here tonight. Ricky Hallman, how are you? Rod Trades, what's going on? They lost to Germany. Who? Spain? Spain was playing Germany. Spain lost to Germany. No. Oh my God. Really? Spain lost. Spectre Trade. Oh, Germany lost. They lost Germany. Oh, okay. Wow, Germany lost. Oh, wow. Weren't they supposed to be really good? Right? Cheese pepperoni. How are you? First half hour, they did a good job neutralizing. Okay. Whew. All right, gold in a negative trend here. Bitcoin above 60,000 here. Bitcoin. All right. How is everybody? All right, we got to get like a couple thousand people here at night. I mean, this is crazy, right? So, all right, where am I here? I'm just trying to very quiet here. S&Ps and Nasdaq. So this is the move yesterday. This is the move today. If you look here on the spiders, once these 15-minute time frames reversed to buy, there was an 85% chance that the lows were in here. Okay. Hey, Michael.
How's it going?
Okay. And then you can see here the low here on the day. Look at this low right here at 10:30. Now I'm gonna on the spiders. 732, and then the 30-minute time frame reversed to buy here as well. MACD's below the pivot, and what do you look to do? Well, you figure it out. Okay, you got to look for pullbacks. We got pullbacks on the 5-minute, and then the 60 reversed to buy, and then you got this really great pullback. What time was this? 1:30, I believe. 1:30, and then you look to buy pullbacks here on the 5-minute. Here's one. Here's two. Right, look at this beautiful bull flag. Here's 3, right, and you can see here's another beautiful bull flag right into the 10 bar. Beautiful at 12:40. You can see that, okay. And there's another beautiful bull flag. 1, 2. There's like 6 great longs. This is the caboose early in the morning, okay. Now I want to show you something that was really important here. If you look at the Nasdaq futures this morning on the 60-minute time frame. The reason why I was calling longs down there, right? You see the 60-minute MACD here? The new low did not confirm the low, right? It did not confirm the low. So then it was like a trampoline down, boink, and boink, right back up, right? Down and then right back up, right? You see that right there? Hey, Steven, how are you? Hi, boo boo. Hello. 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 Okay. Okay. Was that no live cops? I didn't, maybe I read that wrong. I thought it said no live. I don't know. Anyway, how are you? 44 the Punisher, gold finished. Okay. Okay, here's my phone. There you go. Oh my God. Okay.
I'm gonna put these names in too.
Oh no, that goes in a separate pile.
Oh, sorry
Goes
about
over there.
Any new names or?
No. Just put that on top of that there. Please, thank you. Just do whatever you have to do. Okay. Right back up 30 here on the Nasdaq here. Gold's getting absolutely cabooshed. You have more things to do, or? If the Nasdaq gets up to the 80 hand, 75.80 up to 30,120, 110, I looked to short it here. S&Ps just ran 5. We won the war. Look at this gold. We won the war. You didn't trade today? Oh, come on. Iceman. What happened, Iceman? All right. Again, so for tomorrow, I'm looking to see if we can get these 60-minute time frames. If you look here, okay, getting these 60-minute cues, we reverse to buy. So the strategy would be we need to get some type of a decent pullback on the 15, and then the 15-minute right here, and then the 30-minute should really press onward here. The 30 minutes, I could see them dropping in the morning. Again, you can see here, this is the push down today, 10:30. You can see the one at 705. The MACDs did not confirm the lows on the underlying ETF and the continuous contract. Okay. NASDAQ just look to cover below 70. If you want to scalp the short here, again, you're in a positive trend here. Okay. All right. Just pushed up here. Beautiful bull flag off the 30-minute right here on the NASDAQ. Beautiful on the 30-minute. You can see here, they just pushed down. Positive MACDs, 1 minute time frame combined with the 5. Gold's finished. Hey, Lucky, how are you? You see that, Iceman? Did you see that buy divergence off the 60-minute time frames, Iceman? That's a Picasso, Iceman. All right. S&Ps just dropped about 3 here. NASDAQ just dropped about 14, 15. All right. We'll see here. 60-minute and the 30-minute time frames look like they still want to turn up here, especially the S&Ps. I'm still hoping for some type of a pullback here. NASDAQ just dropped 16 just now. If you look here, okay, Mr. 21, how are you? Okay, if you're short up here, I would just lower your stops. I said look to cover below 65. You short? I cover some. Yep. What are you doing? Down 25 here already. You gotta be fast. You have to have you should always have bids out there to cover short. I already covered. Okay, I'm just saying. All right, nice little short scalp there. Kaboom. We just got kabooshed here. All right. All right, no problem. You got to learn, right? And you know what? The end of the quarter tomorrow. So guess what they're going to do? They're going to try to goose it. Now, tomorrow, I think if anybody wants to take a trade, I think SpaceX, if it gets oversold on the 15 or 30-minute time frame, there might be a trade here because it's going to be added to the S&P, I believe, on July 7th. So I wouldn't be surprised they goose this thing to 175, 180. Okay, that's just my personal opinion. But anybody new here tonight? We have someone here, Boja Savante. Bojo. Okay. All right. All right. And again, S&Ps, NASDAQ just hit that 75.80 like I thought. Again, you got non-confirmations on the 15-minute time frames here. Okay, trade green candles. How are you? If you can see the 15s did non-confirm the highs here. Plus, you're overbought on the 15. So, goose them. Goose them means they're going to rally them. It's another just a slang word from the trading world. We got Google's earnings the end of the month, July 22nd, and Tesla. All right. SpaceX played out nice, right? It even was good today. Remember when on Friday it was going to be added to the Russell? Everybody was buying it 55, 54, 53, 52. Guys were saying, should I puke it out at 50 and a half? I'm like, I'd buy more. And then 8 minutes before the bell, boom, 157. Boom, out. Tesla was a banger today. Oh, what great patterns on Tesla. 100%. Look at this. NASDAQ down 40 if it hits 40. Wednesday night, 8 o'clock during our session, USA playing men's soccer. SpaceX goose to 200. I agree. Yeah, I was out today at 150. It hit 159. Oh, yeah. Sorry, 166. Okay. Yep. All right. Anybody get that short there? NASDAQ, S&Ps. NASDAQ just dropped about 40. S&Ps just dropped about 5. NQ, what's going on, NQ? Non-stop trading. 15s want to roll over here, up 50 cents on the day. So you saw what happened today in the Supreme Court, right? Roberts and Comey Barrett ruled against the president to extend mail-in ballots. Judge Ito said, you got to be kidding me. You should election day is election day, and she's like, well, leave it up to the states. This is not good, because if he loses the midterms, the market's going to get killed. Okay, I'm just going to tell you. And if that's what that's what I just think here. Just ran 25 here off the 5-minute, right back up here. Yeah, I'm very surprised. She's ruled against him on, all she needed to do was just say, hey, election day is election day. And I mean, mail it. So you can have states have people mail in ballots for the next 20, 30 days afterwards. I mean, come on. I mean, she could have put her foot down. Okay, kaboom, baby goat. She could have put her foot down, and the other one, Roberts, that other, you know what? The USA will go down. They'll impeach the president. They'll have open borders. They'll defund ICE. They'll defund DHS. They'll have all these socialists jumping up and down like they hit the Powerball, and the country will be completely ruined. I would have to go out and buy 10 guns. What white squared thing on the monitor? What white thing squared? Jesus, I missed that long. All right. NASDAQ gets up to the 85.90 to 31.0125. I'd short them. S&Ps, I'd probably go even and a half to 07, 06 and a half. All right. Here we go. I should already have 10. NASDAQ wants 30,200. Oof, baba. I'm looking. I didn't think this pullback was good enough. I was looking out for 30.15. Yeah, probably gonna get that. NASDAQ, if it gets down here between the 55 and 65, 50, 60 and 75 range, I cover some shorts here. S&Ps, NASDAQ dropping. No, I'm not going to talk political. Where's the volatility? What about gold? Gold's a short. Gold gets up to the 26.5 to 32.5 range. NASDAQ just got kabooshed again. That's twice on the new highs. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay? D-Hall, you're so right. Okay? All right. Yeah.
Was this all you needed to do with just the email messages you got?
I don't know. Oh, some soft stuff.
Sorry.
Well, I don't know where you left off, Michael. You have to tell me. I don't know what you left off.
With the things that you sent me over text. So I just
Did you email everybody?
Yeah.
All those emails are done
Yeah.
on this phone?
Yeah. The ones that I put in.
Okay.
So it's either that was the new group because I didn't do the people I added before because we had already reached out to them over text. But if you want me to email them, those people too,
Probably email them.
All right.
Because I'm sorry, email. I think email's better going forward, unless if you don't, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 20 here. Gold just dropped 2. Not really much going on. No demons, F side. No demons. No demons. No demons. All right, this NASDAQ. I just looking for a pullback here to get long here. That's what you really want. You want the pullback to get long on the 15-minute time frames. See if you get some type of a pullback. Let's see here. See if we get some type of a pullback. Oh, they're gonna push them up through 3,100. Yes, sir. Very, very high. Gold, if you shorted that gold at above 20, 25.5 to 6, just dropped 3. Very quiet. Hey, CT, what's going on? Hey, Danny, what's going on, Dan? So I'm going to read you something a friend of mine sent me. Can I just borrow my phone for 1 second? I just want to read this message that my friend sent me here. Okay. I want you guys to listen to this, okay? So my friend, he's very, very super brilliant guy. And I'm going to read this to you. Bank of America global strategist Michael Hartnett relayed that late last month that the AI Big 10, composed of Magnificent 7 tech stocks alongside chip makers Broadcom, AMD, and Micron, collectively command 40% of the total U.S. market capitalization. Okay? That level of concentration mirrors past manic periods, with technology, media, and telecom reaching a 41% share in 1999. Gold just got cabooshed. Okay? Japan logging a 44% weight in the MSCI All-Country World Index in 1989 and the so-called Nifty 50 gammering 40% of the U.S. market in 1972. Only railroads at 63% in 1873 reached materially higher share of in BofA's data set. So basically they're saying that those 40%, the number is getting quite up there. Okay? All right. New high by July. Silver? New high. John, whatever you're on, send me a case. Okay? Send me a case. All right. Bye-bye. Here we go. Dropping again. If you're short of those 85s again, I would just scalp the short of 20. Okay? Again, all the new highs, but I'm looking for the pullback. Look at the gold drop 6. Where's the bear? Hey, Rick, how are you? That's what I'm saying. Okay. NASDAQ new high in July. Probably with the 4th of July new high. Oh, then you let them have them. Then I think you let them have them. 18.99 was probably low in NVIDIA for now. For now. A lot of companies are coming out trying to compete with NVIDIA. Hey, Ricardo, how do you identify a pullback? Using my indicator 3. Okay. I mean, my indicator 3. You got to be up over a couple hundred already. How much? How much?
120.
Okay. Now be careful here because I'm looking for a pullback to go along. Okay. Hey, Kobop. Marzina. The bear sound is so annoying. Okay. Oh my God. One thinks it's annoying. The other one wants me to play it again. I'll be respectful. I'll be neutral. Hey, Keith. How are you? NASDAQ just dropped 30 again. Gold just got cabooshed. Put him in the bathroom. Unbelievable. New Noah Bear sound slaps. What does that mean? Where's the bear? I don't know what slap means. There you go. There's 40 on the NASDAQ. It'll be 50 in a minute. Bye-bye. S&Ps. I'd be covering shorts below 97. NASDAQ. I'd just be covering them. I'm doing, hey, Brave Day. Brave Day, how you doing on your account? I want to see the fives get a little bit oversold here. Where's the bear? Oh. Gervex says the sound of the bear annoys him. So, trying to be respectful for about 10 minutes. Right? NASDAQ down 40. S&P is down 6. Nothing but the sell divergences here. I'd like to see these pullbacks on the 15 because then I think they're going to go through 30,100. If the NASDAQ, let's see here, the 40s, I don't know here. If they can get down on the NASDAQ to the 29,995 to 30,035, I'd look to probably, or 25. Keep it tight. 30 in the range. Oh, 40 on the NASDAQ, 35. Yep. Yep. What a short. What a short. NASDAQ, you could range, you could raise it. You could raise on the NASDAQ. You can probably go even to 30. Even to 30. 30,000 to 30,000. 30 here. What's going on with crude? All right. We won the war. We won the war. NASDAQ down 50. You want me to check out crude here? 33 on the NASDAQ. Let's see. What's crude doing here? Don't even forget it. It's over. It's finished. All right, NASDAQ 30. Here we go. Down 50 off the highs. Okay. I hope you trailed all the way down.
Yeah, I'm wrong now. I'm getting to know.
Okay. Just trade it. Boom! Start scaling out between 35 and 45.50 here. Yes, sir. Right back up. Look at that. Right back up. Boom. Right back up on the NASDAQ. What do you mean dying? Hey, XHSM, how are you? Right back up. NASDAQ just ran 18. NASDAQ just ran about 30. Sorry. I think, what was the low? 25? 26? 24. They killed the silver. They didn't kill gold. No, I do both. I trade the Qs a lot during the day. Oof. A little bit hot in here. All right. Not bad. NASDAQ, S&P. So when the S&Ps and NASDAQ were pushing up to new highs, those MACDs did not confirm the highs on the 15. Big ones. Boom. Right back up. Boom. All right, let's see if we get a NASDAQ can maybe touch the 15 handle. If it gets down to the 29,085 to 30,015, I take another long here. These 15 should set up here on the NASDAQ. Oh boy, what a cabooshin. Incoming. Sell this NASDAQ 10 to 20 range if it gets up there. What a cabooshin. What a cabooshin. So scaling out of 10 to 20 range here. 12. Boy, somebody, what the hell happened there? What a cabooshin. It's a crash. Look at this. Yep. Gold getting cabooshed here. NASDAQ, you could take another scalp long here between the 60 and 90 handle. Yeah, of course I have some red days. I keep it small though. Let's see if you get a push up here. NASDAQ just dropped 80 on that. Gold was a piece of garbage on. Gold was a beautiful double red short. Beautiful. Good job. Swat's killing out of longs now here. 95 up to 10. If it gets up there. Right back down. Now, this is actually healthy for the market, though, really. If you really think of it, though, it's really very healthy. You want that 15-minute time frame to set up. All right. Wow, down 120 off the high. 60, I go 35 to 65 on the long here. They should S&Ps anywhere between the 81 and a half, 86, 87 and a half. Gold finished. NASDAQ. Yeah, what's the first, Josh, what's the first earnings that are coming out? Do you know? I'm sure you do. You're 64 bucks from the 10 bar. First of all, you're making new highs. The MACD is going to confirm. Scale out between 65 and 80. Second of all, you were getting overbought into the negative MACDs here. Okay? That's a Picasso. Gold's making new lows. Oh, they're finished. Look at this. 140 points off the high. All right. Leaving the 1 minute. NASDAQ kabooshed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 55 to 65, 70. I'd be scaling out of longs. Here we go. S&P's 85 up to 87, 87 and a half. Gold making new lows. There's the NASDAQ right back up.
Oh, no.
You got negative mag. Get out.
Yeah, I got out of 5 on a 5 minute.
Okay. Raise your stop.
Yeah.
And put offers out. Okay. 70. You're not going to get much. I don't know. But
I call it all.
that was a good trade.
I was in 15 months, 15 months.
Good job. Nice little long there. I'm short the gold. Yep, that gold. So let me show you. Look at this NASDAQ. So I'm going to show you the gold really quick. Why this was such a great pattern. If you look here, you can see the 5 minute time frame reversing to sell, right? Indicator 3 was turning down. You're negative on all 3 time frames. The 5 correlating. Look at the negative MACD. Look at the push up. We called it short, 25 and a half or 26 and a half to 32 and a half. Look at this, 27 and a half, boom, boom, down 12. This is a pattern. Negative MACD, it's a double red short. Okay, NASDAQ, I'll be flat. Okay, do you see that? Okay. You see that, Bali? Okay, Maxis. Okay, do you see that? That's a beautiful pattern. You're pushing up. The price is pushing up into the negative MACD in a negative trend. That's a Picasso. New lows on gold. I said gold's going to make new lows here. Hope you're out of your long.
Yeah.
All right. What a nice little long there. Again, now you have the MACD's negative on the 5, so you may get one more push down on the NASDAQ here. Gold's going to do everything it can to support the 4,000. Raise your stops. If you're long and it runs 30, 40, I'm telling her to raise her stops. Right? I'm telling her to raise her stops. All right. S&Ps, I'd be out. NASDAQ, I'd be flat. Diego, you there, Diego? Ooh. Hey, Ive, sir, how are you? Levi, get in there, Levi. Levi, I don't know if you're here, Levi. DAX, what's going on, everybody? We need to get 700 gold. Oh my Lord, gold new lows. NASDAQ right back up. I'd be scaling. The next overbought condition on the 5 or the 3, you got to get set up a bear flag. NASDAQ just hit 72. Oh, I want to see a drop of like 5,000, 8,000 NASDAQ points and then buy everything.
Casey, give me a number. Give me a number.
Oh, we're going to do a number?
Give me a number.
Oh, number 24. Number 24. Number 24.
Kirk. Two. Wait, sorry. Kirk Z. Kirk Z. 2U.
Kurt, what's his name?
Kirk.
Z2U. He's here. Hey, congratulations, Kirk. There you go. Whoa, look at the gold. Finished. NASDAQ down 17 on that bear flag. Oh, this gold's finished. Triple Kabuski. No, triple Kabuskis, the MACDs are above the pivot, right? And you need the 15s to start rolling over, not at a 32 oversold. Congratulations. Oh, wow. NASDAQ, God bless you. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. The triple Kabuski. No, that's not. Who says, okay, let's play a little over-under. Is gold between now and 10 o'clock, is gold over-under 4,000? Over-under. Is gold over-under 4,000 on the close by 10 o'clock? Wow, good job, C. Good job. I'd be careful. The 15s may want to turn up. If this NASDAQ gets down again to the 900, 945, I look 05 to 45. I look to probably take it out. Look at this gold. Over, under gold. Under, over. I may have to go with an, let's see. I may go with an over 4,000. At 10 o'clock, wherever gold is it under, over 4,000? I'm saying over. Everybody's saying under. Over. Hey, Vaughn. Hey, Vaughn. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. I'm tired. It's Monday, too. AEM. Down 3. I had this long in AM right here. AEM, what a short. I got long AEM here below 52, and in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days made $30 on it. Kicked it out. Actually, 79, 78. I kicked it out. And then it got kabooshed. Look at this. Vicious. So this AEM is probably going to go like 138, and then I would back up the truck. Heckler. Another one. Just holding like a champ. Heckler. And then if you look at AU, another one I bought here. Same pattern. Bought this under like 79, 78 and a half. Bear flag on the NASDAQ. Just got to wait. And then kicked it out right here. Above 91, 90, 92.70. Got up to 97. And then look at this. Oh my God. 20 points. 20 points. All right, if this, and this is a great name. Like if you can get this long between 58 and 65. So basically, I think gold is going to go to 3,800, right? 3,830. If gold gets to 3,830 and you can buy down from one account almost lost, what happened? The internet, Barbie. Okay. Be careful. These 15s are getting oversold here, Barbie. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Again, you see those negative MACDs there? No, that's not true. 90 to 60. It bounced up to, that's not true. That's not true. QMEDs. Okay, that's not true. Okay. That's not true. Because it rallied right back up right here. Okay, please, if you're going to speak properly, say it right. Okay. Okay, if you called the long here, where is it? This one? I think it was here. I think it got up in this bar up to 88. Yeah. This was the bear flag on the 5 right here. 77, I believe. Oh, 82. Good job. They're still in a positive trend here on the 15, 30, and 60s. I just think people are fearful. I think the dollar is strong. I think people are worried about higher rates. I think Bank of America's statement here. Jasper, how are you? I think a lot of people are worried. I think a lot of people are worried. That little bear flag, S&P's just dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped about 40. I think people are worried about the Bank of America statement that Japan hiked, England hiked a quarter point, CPI is at 4%. I don't know. And I think this thing with the war is a bunch of BS. Okay. If you really just take out the 10 stocks, Micron, Western Digital, Seagate, SanDisk, well, do the math. Where do you think the market really goes? Right? You wouldn't be up no 18, 19%, right? Okay. Let's see what time that is here. So us scaling at the NASDAQ between the 45 and 55, 60 range. What time is this? Yeah. Let's see, 60, 90. $20.30. See if you get another push up here. $20.90. This was the long here, 60 to 90, and it pushed up to 03. Let's see if you get one more push up here. Long entry this morning off that 90 level. Made my week. Well, again, if you saw the NASDAQ off the 60, here we go. If you saw the NASDAQ on the 60-minute time frame, I called a divergence right here off the 60. Sorry. We got the short off the 15-minute time frames, right, earlier. And when they dropped, you can see the really big, powerful drop. Okay? The real big, powerful drop. So let me look at Broadcom here, AVGO.
Okay, give me another number.
How many people do we have total?
193.
193. That's it.
Yeah.
I go 78. 78.
Trisha 2204.
Trish
Trisha.
2204. Trisha. Boom, NASDAQ. There you go. Brave day. That's what we got is 190 people.
That signed up.
Hmm.
Oh, there she is.
Trisha, congratulations. There you go, Jeffrey. NASDAQ, kaboom, 40. Again, these 15-minute time frames are going to give it support there. Okay, Trisha, congratulations. Sorry, where's you're not there? It's not off of that. The trade was off. The trade was off of the NASDAQ off the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Right here. Oh, look at the 15, the oversold condition. You're in a positive trend, Gervax, right? You're in a positive trend. $28 you made? Oh my God! Look at that's it. That's what you made, is $28. Look at the NASDAQ. Just ran 60 if it hits 94. Right there, Gervax, off the 15. And if anybody new would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me 914-500-7484. What a long there. Oof. What a long. I'm not going to look for sells now. I mean, I think the 15s are going to turn up. I'm actually looking. You got 2,900 on that? There you go. Why don't I sponsor MyFundedFutures anymore, or just my impression? Who said I'm here? What are you talking about? Hey, Palatuk, how are you? All I know is when gold was 4,600, I said gold was going to 4,100. When gold bounced to 4,400, I said gold's going to break 4,000. Got down to 39.58. Okay. All right, Luke. There you go. Gervex, I don't know what you're asking me here tonight, but Max is black. I don't look at the 4-hour. Too long of a time frame. 15, 30, and 60 is my methodology. Is what it's based upon. 15, 30, and 60. NASDAQ just ran 60 off the low. Okay? Yeah, I don't know. You're done?
Yeah, everyone that needs an email.
So,
unless there's new names.
Hold on a second. Everybody's been sent?
Yeah. Because you just send an email to yourself and then you just
Okay.
back CC everyone.
All right. No problem. Okay. I have hundreds more at home.
Sounds good. What time do you want me to come in tomorrow?
Same time. Then I'll blast them. I'll give you a bunch.
All right.
All right. Have a good night.
Thank you, Steve.
Bye-bye. You too. Take care, Michael. Thank you.
Good night.
You too. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ, Sam. Off the 15, Gervex. I hope you got that long, Gervex. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. Boom, 30,000, 70 up. S&P's up 7. I told you in a positive trend. I said the bear flag is going to give you one more push down. Right? Did I tell you? Right? You saw that? I told you you're going to get one more. This bear flag, okay, earlier, whoever was short, I said, look, be careful here. All right? NASDAQ, I think, is going to try to push up here later, but I still think, I don't know if you're going to get one more. I don't know. Unless they blow it off here, 25 up to 65, I'd look to take a short into the negative MACD, maybe for one more scalp short. This would be a scalp short because you're in a positive trend, right? Gervex, what happened? Gervex, up 80. Baba, I hope you got that long off the 15, Baba. Yes. We won the war again. What a monster long. Monster long. This is my mouse. There? This one?
No.
For that computer?
For this keyboard.
Yeah, you can put it back over there. Just put on that piece of those papers there. You got to be up over 300 tonight.
220.
All right. Get in there. Unbelievable. S&P's just ran 9. NASDAQ hits 30, be up 100. Yep. Let's see if we get one more push up here. Let's see if we get one. Wow, gold. Oh my God, the unders might win on gold. Gold 4,000. Kabooshed. What happened, Ben? What guy? What's going on? Aaron, can you tell me what's going on in our chat? I don't know if you see it there. I don't know what's going on our YouTube, Aaron. I don't know what's going on.
I'll take a look.
Thanks. Wow, gold just got kabooshed. Aaron will handle it. I said gold under 4,000, but it happened last week. When we got the push up to 4,400 AEM, which I bought under 52 and a half, sold above 79, 78.50. And then it just got absolutely kabooshed. I still think gold could get down to 35 and a half. Okay. Still think this NASDAQ can get one more push up here. I'm looking for one more push up, then a drop off the 5. Then that next oversold condition could be the buy. The 60s are going to set up. The 60-minute time frame is going to set up really strong here on the NASDAQ futures.
Give me another number.
Number 111. 111.
NQ contract killer.
I never heard him before. NQ contract killer. Hey, Cy. I think gold can get to 30. It could. And if they start raising rates, oof, forget it. Dollar go through the roof. Right? Let's see here. NQ contract killer. It is a cool name. Hey, Vanessa. We are doing a raffle. Aaron wants to mix it up compared to the way we used to do it. Is he here? NQ? NQ contract killer. Gold over 4,000. Is he here? Dollar yen, highest in 40 years. Wow. Are you serious, dollar yen? Let's see. Wow, NASDAQ. I was 25. What was I, 20 to 60 or 20? Oh, it just dropped 30. Oh, my God. I told you going to get one more push down on the 5s. Wow. NASDAQ kabooshed. Wow. I think I was 25 to 65, and the high was 20. Damn it.
Next.
Dollar yen.
Not here.
What?
Let's go. Next. Choose another one.
Is he here?
Nope. Let's go.
Oh, number.
Wait. Hold on. Where is he? I don't see that username. NQ contract killer. No. You said it says NQ killer. That's not the same as what you. It's got to be the same YouTube username that you sign up with. That's the rules. Next.
143.
Thank you.
He's saying, "Come on, he was here." I say,
No.
give it to him, Aaron.
That's not the same name. Look.
Is it not? Oh, it's not the same name.
No. Sorry. Mathematica 1729.
Mathematica 1729. Aaron's tough, man. Oof.
Yep.
Oh,
there we
brother.
go.
Was he here?
Yep.
Okay, congratulations. You can't fool Aaron. No, he's military. You got the wrong guy. Wow, look at this NASDAQ down 50 on that bear flag. I said you're going to get one more push down off that 5-minute time frame. Arton, you get that short, Arton? S&P's down 3. Look at NASDAQ drops 50. The S&P's drop 3. Go figure. Should I throw in the towel? Congratulations to the on the unders. Well, let's see. We got 58 minutes to see if gold can rally above 4,000. Dollar yen through the roof. Oof. I think this might be a new high on dollar yen on the monthly. Let me look back. Dollar yen. Oof. 162. Dollar yen is a new high. Our dollar's strong here. What a short. 50 down on the NASDAQ. S&Ps. What a bear flag. You see how that negative MACD worked on the 5? That's why I said if you're short, I would scalp the short because you're in a positive trend, but you have 2 negative MACDs on the 5 and the 15. So I just thought they were going to run into a roadblock. Ricardo, how are you, Ricardo? We're giving away, you got to follow the rules. Giving away a Rapid account. Anybody can tell me where Intel or Micron is trading on Interactive Broker or the night session here? Anybody? Please. Hmm. 11:26. Thank you. So down about 12. Hey, Jesus, how are you? Again, if anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Wow, they're going to get killed. Yes, sir. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this gold. Oh my God. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. Oh my God, the dollar yen. Gold's finished. Mm-hmm. All right, let's just see. Wow, what a draw. Oh my God, the stop. We got to buy this gold here. 50.5 to 58.5. Oh my God. Congratulations to the unders on the gold. Oh my goodness gracious. The stop orders. Wow. Cabooshed. What a bear flag on that NASDAQ and S&P. My God, gold just rallied. I take a scalp on the gold, 79 up to 79.5, 80 up to 88. Oh my God. The stop, you had to buy the stop orders. Because the dollar, look at the dollar yen. I left the dollar yen up here for a reason. The dollar yen's exploding. Bear sound for the fans? Why not? Josh, you get that long down there? Danny, get in there. You're pushing up pencil. Gold just rallied $20 just now. Okay, come on. Where's the bear? My God, gold 58. I love those stop orders. All right, good job. My dollar yen's dropping.
Give me another number.
Gold, look to cover gold anywhere between the 75 and 80 range. What happened, Aaron? No one
Give me
more?
another number.
You said the number was number. Number 43. Look at the gold drop. Number 43.
Albio 21 YouTube YT. Albio 21 YT. You are the winner if you show
Wow,
up.
look at this short on the gold. Baba into that negative MACD. That was a great short on the gold. Just dropped 10.
Boom.
The number thing we're saying, we're doing a raffle for rapid accounts given away by MyFundedFutures.
He's here.
You see her?
Yep.
Oh my God, look at the gold. Look at the NASDAQ. Wow. Anybody short that gold there? Oh my God. I knew the dollar yen was going to rally. So if you're going to trade the gold, I mean, this goes the opposite of the, of the dollar yen. Dollar yen, I knew this was a really nice long here. And on that push down was a buy, right? Boom. Baby, Josh, you get that short above 80 on the gold? I'll check it out later. The 4 hour. I don't look at the 4 hour. I mean, I just so much to take you all in, Oh my God, gold's getting kabooshed. Gold was a great short. All right, let's see if there's NASDAQ. If there's NASDAQ, I'd like to see the NASDAQ get one more. Hey, Richard. Hey, Richard. Oh, brother. Oh my God, gold's down 15. One more what? He's asking me if for a number. Wow, gold just dropped 16. Are you trading gold?
No, I don't trade.
You should trade the gold in a complete separate account.
Okay.
That's how I would do it. That's how I would do it. What an unbelievable. All right. I'd like to see this gold get one more push down. I don't know if you're going to get it. Mm-hmm. What will NASDAQ do tomorrow? Go up or go down? Go up. I say go up. Well, congratulations to the unders on gold. I think we hit downtrend line 75, 755 on the NASDAQ. Could be. Could be. Could be. Oh, there goes the dollar yen. Look, the dollar yen just dropped 8 pips, 10 pips, and then gold just ran $7, $6, $8, $10. See, goes tick for tick with gold on the inverse. That's why I left up the dollar yen to show you. Nasdaq just look at the gold. Oh my God, gold just rallied. See if this gold can get up to the 88 to 90 range. Richard, you're in Vegas? Have you ever heard of Resorts World? Resorts World?
Give me another number.
Another number. Number 181.
Okay.
181.
User 43872.
There goes the Nasdaq. Jesus, up 30, up 40.
I'm long Nasdaq.
I'm saying what?
I'm long Nasdaq.
Okay. Now I want to know if you ever saw. Is it a nice hotel since you're there? Resorts World.
No user 43872.
No user. He's not here.
Mm-hmm. I know, right? That is a name, isn't it? Not here.
Dollar yen saying it. User, are you here?
Next.
Number 100. Next.
Poquito de todo.
What?
That's the name. Poquito de todo. 1.
Poquito. Dollar yen's going to set for some long here.
Here. All right.
That's wonderful. I'll be there on the 25th of July. Thanks, Richard. Oh my God, it's hysterical. Here we go. NASDAQ, gold 87 up to 95, 88 up to 96. You're going to get kabooshed on this gold. Oh my God. All right, this dollar yen. This dollar yen is going to set up a nice long. There it is. Gold should get kabooshed here. Gold. These fives. Look at this. Positive MACD. ADX rising. This dollar yen should get another push up. 162.40. Wow. Gold look to cover below 85.5. We need this market to drop. We need a lot of things to drop.
I'm up to 90 and this funded account with intraday.
I didn't hear a word you said.
I'm up $290 on this funded account and it's intraday. I'm gonna lock it out.
Done. Don't ask me for permission. You should know better. Right?
Yeah.
You came from failing, right, to being very consistent today. right? You're up across all 3 accounts, right?
Yeah.
Day done. Over. Go have a smoothie or something, right? Hey. And he's, hey, boo boo. Is he sleeping? Henny.
Hey, buddy.
Hey. Oh, he's moving.
Yeah.
Hi, boo boo.
It scared me.
He likes his head on the cool. Look at that gold drop, 7-8. Do you see why I left the dollar yen up? Right. Hi, boo boo. Tomorrow, you can go eat wherever you want. I'm going to, tomorrow, officially 100%, 1 billion% on a high protein diet. So I'm going to the places and I'm going to go and get all the things I need. That's it. It's over. That's it. Today was my last chicken parm for about 6 months. Okay? Seriously? You can eat whatever you want. No problem. But I'm done.
Yeah,
Done.
I normally stay away from carbs.
Well, you know, that's it. It's over. How far am I from Boca? Cody ship? About 40 minutes. Depending on the day, the time. If you want to drive from Boca, to me, is about 40 minutes without traffic. If you want to do it on, 4 or 5 o'clock, you're talking, could take an hour and a half. My son takes an hour and a half to look at the NASDAQ. Damn it. 55 up to 60. I told you these 15s are going to turn up. Damn it. Why? Are you from Boca? Who's from Boca here? Big. Who's from Boca here? Cody ship? All right. So again, if you see the the sell divergence, I said the next push down on the NASDAQ, it got down to 57, 58. I was thinking more like 45, but with the 15s curling up, just ran about 50 on the NASDAQ. So I think this gold is going to get absolutely kabooshed here. Congratulations on the unders. Probably going to forfeit it up there. Right? Up 252, farmer, good job. Well, if you're here, text me, 914-500-7484. Kaboosh, first of all, you spelled the name wrong, Ricardo. It's Kabooshed. And a kaboosh is down, not up. Kaboom is up. Okay? Okay, dollar yen just ran 5 pips here. It's NASDAQ. Unbelievable. Wait till this 5-minute time frame on dollar yen. Oh, excuse me. Pushes up. Just ran 7 pips, 6 pips here. I think gold's going to get killed. 15-minute time frame. Oh, wow. NASDAQ. Jesus. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's see what I left here. Wow, look at this dollar yen. That's a Picasso right there. Absolutely, son of Wall Street. Wow, look at this dollar yen up 7 pips. So when I used to trade dollar yen, probably my average position was probably between 8 and 15 million on a position. Scaling maybe 20 million. Oh my God, look at this. NASDAQ up 80 off these 15-minute time frames and standard lots. And I would just stay. I wouldn't even take offers. I would just bid. Let the market come to me. So if I wanted to start buying, I buy like, maybe, I don't know, like I'll give you an example, like 3 million at 11.5, another 4 million at around 09, and then got down to 08, another 3 to 5 million. If Kabul down, I don't know. Wow, look at this NASDAQ up 100 off these 15s. Oh my God. Gold, 89 up to 90, 90 up to 98. I'd short it on a bear flag here.
What's next?
Wow. What?
Next number.
Number 9.
Rec 100X. Rec 100X.
Brett, BRET?
No, REC. Rec.
Oh, rec. What a long off those 15s. Curve you see, short again. Yes, I said 91 up to 90. What did I say? 92 to 91, 92 up to even. What a long on the S&Ps. You see Gervex at 50. I said after that bear flag, right? On the NASDAQ, I said, look to take one more. Here's the bear flag. I was at 25. The high was 20. It pushed down to 51. I was thinking more 45. Oh, my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, if this NASDAQ can get up to the 70 range, 65. Oh, they're going to get killed.
All right, next. Not here.
Not here. Number 3.
Whoa. Bojan. So Bojan. Selvin Ambi. That's a name. Sheesh.
Get in there. Wow, what a move.
They're here. They replied immediately.
He's here?
Yep.
Number 3?
Yep.
Oh my God. All right, this gold is going to get kabooshed here. Do you guys understand the power of this 15-minute time frame? You can see the yellow dots, even with, right? Nowhere near looking like it's going to, even if I was going to say 45 or 50, the low is 51 here. It just ran 110 handles off the 15. If you get back up to the highs here, 75, 80 up to like 130,000, 105, I'd take the short. Gold should get kabooshed here. Gold. Can you imagine if gold goes over 4,000 by the end of the day? Yes, sir. See if this NASDAQ. Oh. All right, this gold is going to start dropping here. Wow, what a rally. I said you're going to get one more push down. This is the push down. This is the long. Got into the bear flag, into the negative MACD. We were looking to short 25 to 65. The high was 20. And then it got cabooshed down to 51, dropped about 70, 69. I was looking for the one more. I said you're going to get one more push down on the 5, and I would take the long. Unfortunately, I would have been 45 on the long. All right, gold's going to start dropping here. I think people want to just not take the loss, D Hall. Nasdaq, look to cover between the 55 and 65 or 50 and 65 range if you're short. Listen, nobody likes to be wrong, okay? But, you know, it happens, right? No. I think people just feel like they just don't want to be in a situation that they don't want to be like, they just feel like maybe they just don't want to handle being wrong. I don't know, Aaron, how many are we giving away? 10 tonight?
I don't know. Depends how I feel. We're at 7 right now.
Nasdaq dropping. Gold should get cabooshed. ADXs are rising on gold on the 15, 30, and 60. This gold should drop. We're on gold, negative MACD. Yep. Nasdaq just dropped 25, 30 here on the Nasdaq. Bye-bye gold. S&Ps just dropped 3.5, 4, 5 on the S&P. Nasdaq 40. Bye-bye. You short?
Cover.
You're flat. So if I say if you're short, you say no, I'm flat.
I covered the shorts. Yes, I'm flat.
Okay. Should we look for sells on the now? I just called a short, McGett. Tell him, Gary. Got to be up over 300 today.
290. Yeah, I just started this other account.
Yes or no?
292.
Thank you. Gold's down 6. Nasdaq. S&P's down 7. Gold. Look at the Nasdaq. What a short. What a short. What a bear flag. Oh my God. What a short. Wow. Holy mackerel. Look at the Nasdaq. Look at the S&Ps down 7, 8. Nasdaq down 40, 50.
All right. Give me another number.
Number 47.
Marcella Y8L.
These are all new people, unless they change their names.
Maybe. Marcella Y8L.
Is Marcella here? Oh my God, look at this NASDAQ.
They are here.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Wow, look at them drop 50 on the NASDAQ. That's some sell divergence. I'm just picking random numbers, guys. And first of all, you got to be in the MyFunded Futures. If you're in my SK trading, you got to be in the MyFunded Futures and sign up, right? The gray is above the cayenne. It's next pullback should be bought on the Nasdaq if it drops on oversold. I'm thinking Nasdaq if it gets down to the 980 to 3010 could be a buy off the 5. The yellow one. What do you mean the yellow one? This here? This is a MACD. This what? These yellow dots is the price. Wow, 14. Look at the gold, Josh. Look at the gold. Gold just dropped 10 already. Oh my God, look at this. Andrew, you take that short, Andrew, on that gold above 92. The dollar yen's going to explode. Good. Well, there goes the, okay. NASDAQ on the double blue just went from 14 all the way up, so cancel that.
Last number.
Number 169.
Michael B trades. Michael B trades.
Michael B trades.
Winner, winner, chicken
Nice
dinner.
here. Congratulations, Michael. All right. Wow. 9:42 already. Well, I think that's about it. It's quiet. That's it. I speak in my language. All right, let's just see here. That was a double blue. You're going to get one more push up here for sure.
All right. Well, that's it.
It doesn't matter. All right, let's see if we get one more push down for a long. I thought you're done. Close it. You're up over 300? You go.
Just a couple of bucks in this new.
What?
Just a couple of bucks in this new account.
Couple of bugs.
Bucks. 5, 6.
Let's see if this NASDAQ can get one more push down here. Oh. What a bear flag on the gold. Right into that moving average. Congratulations on the unders. Is gold a short? Fantastico. Where were you at 92.94 on the gold? Again, on the NASDAQ, if it gets down to that 780 to 3010 level, see if you get one more push down here on the double blue. MACD is positive from below the pivot. Gold. Fantastico. Did you not hear me say look to short gold? 92 up to even. 4,000. Okay, ES Futures. Cheesy pepperonis from Sydney. Sir, have a great night, my brother from Thailand. All right, just bounce off that 17 handle. USD JPY, Andrew. USD JPY. All right. NASDAQ got down to what, 15 on this, I believe. Yep. Just ran 20. Missed it. Gold. If gold hits 74, be down 20. Fantastico. What are you doing? He's so good. He's precious, my boy. Want to take him for a walk? I'm wrapping up in 10 minutes. Come on. Want to go for walking? Come on. Want to go for a walk? Come on. Come on. You can go for a walk. Come here, you big moose. Oh, he's going crazy. Oh, Henny, you're knocking my screens down, Henny. Oh, no. Go, Henny. You got to go. Oh, Henny. He's like a bull in the china shop. Oh, my God. What the hell's going on here? He almost wrecked the whole office. I would have a heart. I was here for like 5 hours yesterday. We had a oh no, screens got kabooshed. I need more screens actually on top. I hope they goose them this week. 31,000, whatever the highs are, 32,000, 33,000, and then you short them with your eyes closed. He's a moose. Trey green candles. All right, we got 10 minutes to go. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream every day, 8:30 to 4, please text me your full name and email to my cell, 914-500-7484. Also, I do a podcast every night on the SK Trading YouTube called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I think that was pretty good. I think there was about 8 or 9 trades on the NASDAQ. And then maybe there was one gold short. 1, 2, 3, maybe about 4 or 5 gold. Not bad. 10. If you get 10 on Asia in 2 hours, 8 to 10 to 12 trades, that's unbelievable. I think these 60-minute time frames want to push gold up. NASDAQ one more time. Very quiet. Okay, dollar yen, what about it? It's dropping, then gold should rally. Does the inverse, Brian. Who's playing? Paraguay and who? Wow, Scalp King up 7,000. Thank you, Deontay. Netherlands versus Moscow. Moscow's playing? Oh, Morocco. Jeez, I need glasses.
All right, Steven. Let's get
That's
it
what
going.
happened. One more?
355. Nope, that's it. 355. I mean 955. Sorry, my time.
Oh, if we go to 10. No?
Yeah, no, I'm just saying, just letting you know.
Yeah, no, I see what time. Very quiet now. All right, see you guys again, short week. Deontay, God bless. You owe me nothing. You have 4 children. You owe it to them. Jennifer. All right. Thank you, Albano. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. 4 minutes to go. I'm not going to do anything here. See the double blue on the 5-minute NASDAQ. Got down to 15. Just ran about 37. Come in. Hi, boo boo. Oh, watch my screens. Come. What happened? Hello. You go big. You big horsey. You big horsey. Oh. Have a great night, day trade, Tom. And again, if anybody has any questions, anybody ever need anything, any help, you know I'm here for you. Okay. Dollar yen, USD, JPY. That's it on TradeStation. Okay. Again, if anybody has any questions, you could just text me, my cell phone. Again, please watch my podcast, The Bold, the Bear, and the Ugly. I'll see you here tomorrow night. Okay. All right. I expect a pullback tomorrow on the 30-minute time frames and look to buy them. And then I think they goose them up. Okay. Okay.
I'm home 10 p.m. like right now would be 4 a.m. my time.
Okay.
And if I have my accounts in a good shape,
Mm-hmm.
I'm super happy.
Okay. All right, everybody. Have a great night. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you all. I'll see you all tomorrow. I thought tonight was a really great night. Some really great moves on the indexes, S&P and NASDAQ especially. Gold, really great patterns. Hope everybody had a great evening. God, thank you, MyFundedFutures, to Matt, to Aaron, to Luke, to Aaron. Thank you all. Thank you. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.